One of the things I want you to understand about this concept is that for every pair of consecutive terms, the second number is always obtained by adding a fixed number to the first one. The fixed number is known as the common difference. You have to note that each number in a sequence is often called a term, denoted by T1, T2, T3, T4, Tn. Here, our first term is A, and anytime we add a common difference, we obtain the subsequent term. Hence, we have to add our common difference to A to get our T2. To get our T3, we have to add our common difference to A plus D. How about T4? How do we go about that? We are still going to adopt the same steps by adding our common difference. Now, how can we get our Tn? Note this, in all of these terms, the number of common difference is one less than the number of terms. Let's start from T4. We have that 3D is one less than 4, 2D is one less than 3. We also have that 1D is one less than 2 and 0 is one less than 1. You also have to know that at every instance, our A is always added to the number of common difference. Hence, we can deploy this in solving our nth term. Therefore, our Tn is going to be equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied with A. From here, we have that our A represents our first term, D denotes the common difference, N represents number of terms, and you also have to note that our Tn, which can also be represented as An, denotes our nth term. Now let's go ahead and try this. You have to note that the common difference can be obtained by subtracting a term from the preceding term. We have that our common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to T3 minus T2 An minus An minus 1. This is the formula we'll be deploying to find our common difference. From here, we can find our common difference D, which is equal to T2, which is 6 minus T1, which is 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. To further confirm your answer, we can proceed to find T3 minus T2, which is 9 minus 6, which is also equal to 3. So therefore, our common difference is 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here, our common difference is going to be equal to T2 minus T1, which is the same thing as 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Hence, our common difference is equal to 1. Proceeding further, here our common difference will be equal to T4 minus T3, and this is equal to 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. Let's move to IV. 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2. Our common difference is given to be T2 minus T1, and this is equal to 2 minus 3, which is negative 1. That is our answer. Let's try this. How can we find the fourth term, T4? The first thing we have to do is to find our common difference. Our common difference D will be equal to T2 minus T1. We are told to find the fourth term, which means that n is equals to 4. So we are given that our first term A is equals to 2, our common difference D is equals to 2, and n is equal to 4. How do we find T4? Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. We are going to substitute. Our T4 will be equal to, our first term was given to be 2 plus 4 minus 1 multiplied with our common difference, which is 2. T4 will be equal to 2 plus 3 times 2. Our T4 will be equal to 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, our T4 is equal to 8. In our next video, we'll be solving a lot of problems. Do well to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.